In today's guide, we'll show you how to enable background conversations in the ChatGPT app. This feature lets the app keep listening and responding while you multitask, making it incredibly useful for staying efficient. First, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. On the homepage, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, represented by two horizontal lines. A side menu will appear. Scroll down to the bottom and tap the three dots to access additional settings. From the new page that opens, find and select the voice option. On the next screen, locate the background conversations option. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch next to it. Once it's turned on, the app will be able to continue responding even while you switch to other tasks on your device. And that's it! You've successfully activated background conversations in the ChatGPT app. This feature is perfect for staying productive while on the move or managing multiple tasks. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more app tips and tech guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.